Spouting. So today we are at an installation for an internal spouting system, and on this one the whole system is falling on this corner, so the spouting was rotting right out, so we'll have a look at that. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the internal spouting and put a new liner inside it, take out the galv one, and it's going to be a new colour steel one going in. And then also on this one, because we have a downpipe here, we're going to actually cut in a new downpipe because this part's really low and holding water. So what we're going to be able to do is cut a new downpipe in through here and connect it up to this existing drain. The inside here, the existing spouting is absolutely rotten through all the way along it. So this is actually the liner, the internal gutter that we are going to replace. We're going to take out this old galv one and we're going to change it out for this one that we've got here that the guys are holding. This is a new colour steel liner. So yeah, this will be going in. Okay, so here we are back and the new liner has now been put in. We've got a nice new colour steel liner put in all the way along. Okay, so there we have it. We put in the new liner and we've added a new outlet into the gutter so that it can drain on this corner where it's having issues, and that's a brand new downpipe going into the drain. So if you have any spouting issues and live in the Canterbury region, give ClearwaterSpouting a call and we will pop around and give you a free assessment and a no obligation free quote. Give us a call on 0800 724 662.